In this tutorial module, we'll cover how JumpCloud admins can configure DUO MFA for a user's JumpCloud User Console. To start configuring DUO for JumpCloud's user portal, first log in to the admin portal for JumpCloud and DUO. Once logged into both portals, within JumpCloud, navigate to the Org Settings, Security tab, and Multi-Factor Authentication menu. Here you should see two options, TOTP and DUO Security. The TOTP option will always be enabled since it comes with the JumpCloud platform. To enable DUO MFA, simply click on the slider to enable DUO to the green enabled option as seen in this example. In order to enable the trust between DUO and JumpCloud, you'll also need to create a web SDK app within DUO and copy the three fields into JumpCloud's admin portal: the integration key, secret key, and API hostname. Going into my DUO tenant, we're going to configure a brand new DUO web SDK app that we'll use within the JumpCloud configuration. Log into the DUO admin console and navigate to the applications on the left-hand side. Click on Protect an Application button in the top right. Search for Web SDK, then click on Protect this application. This will create a new web application which we'll use in order to configure it for JumpCloud. You'll see three fields we need in order to create the handshake and trust between JumpCloud and DUO. Scroll down to the bottom of the page under the Settings pane and change the name to something akin to JumpCloud User Portal. Scroll back up to the top of the configuration page and copy the integration key, secret key, and API hostname from DUO's admin portal to JumpCloud's admin portal configuration for DUO MFA. Hit Save in both DUO and JumpCloud's admin portal to save the configuration. Now you can continue to configure custom policies within DUO, but in this use case, I'm going to leave everything as default. In order to leverage DUO and JumpCloud, you'll need to ensure that the users are within both JumpCloud and DUO in order to enforce it appropriately. Jumping over to the user list within my DUO tenant, we can see that Bob Fay already exists with the username of Bob F. Taking a look at the JumpCloud admin portal, we see that Bob Fay's username is also Bob F. In order for DUO authentication to work appropriately, ensure that the username of both DUO and JumpCloud are the same for your user base. Now that we've enabled DUO MFA for JumpCloud, let's take a look at our example user Bob Fay. Because Bob does not have MFA as of yet, we'll go ahead and enable this on his JumpCloud account. Users that have DUO enabled will also need to configure JumpCloud's TOTP MFA as well for System and Radius MFA, as DUO currently only supports the user portal at this time. Let's log into the user portal as Bob to show DUO MFA in action. Logging into the user portal as Bob, we see that there is now a prompt for which MFA we'd like to choose. In this use case, we'll select DUO and hit Next. A new pane will appear asking the user if they'd like a push notification, phone call, or use a passcode from the DUO app. We'll select the push method and hit the button Send me a push. Now on Bob's Android device on the right-hand side, we see that there's a notification asking for actions to be taken from DUO. We'll go ahead and accept the DUO push notification, and we can see now that this authorizes Bob to be let into JumpCloud's user portal for his SAML applications, profile, and security settings. Bob will also be prompted to set up TOTP MFA, as this method is required for System and Radius MFA. That's it. This concludes the module over enabling DUO multi-factor authentication for JumpCloud's user portal.